Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to report someone on Discord. Maybe someone in your server or direct messages is violating the Discord community guidelines or making you feel uncomfortable. So today I am going to show you how to report someone on Discord. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Discord application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the conversation or server where the person you want to report is located. For example, I will report a member from my server. So, tap on these three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen and select the server. Here, tap on this member's icon at the top right corner. Now, tap on the username of the person that you want to report. For example, I want to report this member, so I will tap on it. A pop-up menu will appear, and here, tap on this three dots icon at top right corner of the menu. Another menu will pop up, and you can now see here this report this user for abuse option. Simply tap on it. After that, you now have successfully reported the user. Discord will now review the report and will take the necessary actions based on their community guidelines. Note that Discord does not disclose any information regarding the outcome of the report, and you will not be notified about any disciplinary action taken against the reported user. There you go. If you wanted to know how to report someone on Discord, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to report someone on Discord, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.